All right, thank you so much, Swara and Swara's mom, Dipti ji, for actually removing the time to let us know how Ignite the Topper in Your Child program has helped Swara. So let's hear it directly from Swara before and after. Please go ahead, Swara.
Firstly, thank you, Sandhya ma'am, for all your efforts. The program has really helped me in my weakness, mathematics, because of the methods you made me solve. It made solving problems easier and faster. I feel more confident now while doing the sounds. It improved my memory. I can remember formulas and other concepts for a long period of time without forgetting. Most importantly, I changed my mindset. I have started believing in myself. I enjoy studying more than before. I also can see a clear improvement in my academics, which motivates me to keep doing better.
Wow, that's really nice. And I'm glad that, this mindset has helped you to score better in academics as well, because definitely all of us want to see tangible results at the end of the day. All right, let's hear from Swara's mom, Dipti ji. So, what do you have to say, Dipti, on this? If you could just, fit into the camera.
Hello, Sindhu ma'am.
Hmm.
Sindhu ma'am, actually, regarding the program and your efforts which you have taken for Swara, my daughter, is
Hmm.
remarkable. I can say it has really helped my daughter Swara gaining her confidence in her studies and has developed the right mindset. Actually, uh, her discipline in studies and motivation to do better every day. Actually, she has improved a lot. The sessions which you have taught are were very structured actually and enjoyable, which is very effective for her in her academics. I can you can see a big improvement in her focus and her performance, and I can truly recommend this program to all the parents. And lastly, but a heartful thanks to you, ma'am, for all your constant guidance and the support which you have given it to Swara.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, one last question, Dipti ji, that I would like to ask you is, how is our program different, or I would say, how is our academy different from others available in the market?
Differently, as in I can say, the focus and the dedication which you, as a mentor, which you give it to the child, and the confidence, the boosting of the confidence which you have, because that really, and also the exercises and everyday uh, assessments or whatever you just give it to the child has improved a lot. Because as you can see, mathematics, if the child is not solving mathematics daily, then they will definitely forget. But as per your program, which I have seen as a parent, that you have really doing it very nicely, and which is remarkable, which is very different from the others, because they just give normal assignments and they don't check it basically. But you take that more efforts, and every day you just check it basically.
Well, thank you so much, Dipti ji and Swara, and thanks for your feedback, and thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandhya ma'am, once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.